Alright! One of my favorite prehistoric beasts. Even though he never got his debut on Walking with Prehistoric Beasts. I wish he did. Anyway, that is how you... Starting off, we start by... We're gonna draw the... we're gonna draw my first ever prehistoric mammal, otherwise known as Arsinotherium. He's got the personality traits of a hippo, and has the ability of a rhinoceros. Let's see what we can find on him. Here we go. Let's see. Here we go. This guy has these two large horns sticking out of his upper half. This is what he uses to defend himself. Since this animal is, well, from the... Since this animal is from the Oligocene and lives in warm climates, I consider him to be a very interesting creature. Let's see what else we can draw. There we are. Here's his feet. Lastly, we draw his tail. Shoot. There. Done. The first time I saw Arsinotherium was on Chased by Dinosaurs. It was the first time I saw this animal. Well, when I first saw it, I knew I must have one for myself. My parents bought me a toy Arsinotherium, and it was perfect. He was one of my favorites. I loved it. I wished for it to come to me, and I did. This animal, it's, well, what they call a perfect being. You'd do the same thing if you were to learn how to draw dinosaurs like me. I've studied dinosaurs, well, my whole life, and, well, these animals, they're what they call the best of the best. Anyway, much like its cousin, Maritherium, it has a small elephant-like nose. He uses it to sniff for food, and, well, I consider him, well, he's a real sweetie. You trust those eyes, don't you? Anyway, I better sign off for now. I got work. Arsinotherium fans out there, if you guys have seen the fossil records of this guy in Egypt, check out that museum. The dinos there are amazing. Arsinotherium is one of my personal favorites. It's, well, I don't know how to describe it. I've seen him a dozen times. Just looking at him, it gets better every night. That's all for now, folks.